Hi everybody, I am Parna again with you all with a new topic. Do you know about some amazing functions of the right brain? You probably didn't know. Everyone knows that the human brain is divided into two parts, the right side and the left side. It is very interesting to know that both brains work differently to keep the body going. It is widely known by now that the brain is a bicameral entity in the human body system. Bicameral in the sense that there are two chambers in the brain that performs and respond to different functions and stimuli. There are a lot of tests these days which ask you a set of questions and based on your responses tell you whether you are right brain or left brain. So, if your results say that you are right brain, it means that your brain performs a certain set of functions better and has an inclination to do certain type of work in a way which more characteristics to the right brain. These tests are used predominantly by teachers and employers who are looking to get to know their student and employee better so as to know how exactly to deal with them and what type of task should them better. Bicameral nature of the brain. The right half and the left are pretty much separate, connected to each other by the corpus callosum. Think of it like two computer processors connected by LAN. Both parts work for the same body and help in the same things you are currently trying to do. But what differs is the way in which each half would like to get the work done. To be concise, the left half of the brain deals with the verbal aspects of thinking, while the right half deals with the non-verbal aspects. Verbal thinking means a logical approach towards a goal using facts and details through comprehension and practical as well as safe. The right half deals with the task on an emotional level, being precipitative and often fantasy oriented while having an affinity to taking risks. Functions of the right brain controlling function. It is said that the first function is controlling the left side of the body. Right brain people generally tend to work more with their left hand and instantly move their left foot forward first while walking. But this may not always be true. Similarly, if you are left brain, you will be tend to use the right side of your body more. Feelings and intuitions. Right brain people prefer following their instinct or to gut feeling. They generally do not bother themselves with logical patterns and prefer relying on a hunch. This makes right brain people think out of the box more often as they have the ability to think in an unconventional way. Left brained person on the other hand tends to follow a rational logical pattern regardless of what he or she believes. Holistic view. A right brain personality will tend to view things in a holistic way rather than paying attention to finer details. He has an ability to understand and appreciate the bigger picture, the larger meaning of things. A left brain person would rather look into the finer details and analyze those. Gesturing. Another very common characteristics of right brain people is that they are not too good with words and tend to rely on gestures to emphasize their points. They do not communicate as well left brain people do. Left brain people tend to communicate fairly well and in a precise manner and do not feel the need to gesture while talking. Synthesizing. Right brain people are more perceptive in the sense that they tend to listen how people say something rather than the exact words they say. This gives right brain people a better understanding of situation as they can tell when people are concealing something. Left brain people tend to stick with the facts and work with only what is said and not what is implied. Imagery. Another very common function is that it is better at creating images. A right brain person will remember people and events based on a picture they have in their mind. They also make association between unrelated pictures, like suppose they think that someone they know looks like a horse. So when they see a horse, they will think of the person and vice versa. Right brain people tend to have a stronger visual memory than left brain people. They are also a lot more imaginative. Organizational skills. The right side of the brain is also notoriously known for its lack of organizational skills, and in a way, this characteristic tends to rub off on right brain people. They are also known to not be very good at spotting logical patterns between things or events. It is interesting to note that there are some people who can display some characteristics of both right and left brain people. These people are known as whole brain people. So friends, hope you understand about this topic. I will be again here with you all to discuss with some more interesting topics. Thank you.